Hello, my name is Timothy Cheek. This is Mobile Development 2 Week 4 for update for my capstone project Terra Wars. This week I added an options menu, and with the options menu I have it so the player can choose difficulty and also adjust the volumes for the music and sound effects. So if we go into the player miscellaneous class I added a background music volume variable and also the sound effect one and also difficulty. Now if we go into our options menu, as of right now you can only access this options menu through the level select. So if we go down here we can see it's next to the main menu shop and options is now here. And also we can see right here that whenever an audio is played, we make sure that the volume is set to that, the correct volume variable. And also up here for the background music. Now if we go to the options menu, on start, we just grab the player miscellaneous object. We also load in a texture so that we can highlight whatever difficulty is selected currently. Now if we come down here, we have the GUI. So this is where we find out where difficulty the player is set at. The player has the difficulty set at. If it's 0, it's easy, 1's normal, and the other one's hard. So that's where we're going to draw our texture at. Next, we create just a GUI box. This says difficulty, and then next to that we have our 3 buttons for the difficulty, and that will adjust the difficulty according to which button's pressed. Next, we have background music volume, and we are using a horizontal slider to adjust the background music volume. This was a new thing I've never used before, but I have to say it's nice. And also we do it here with sound effects. And then we have our back button that goes back to the level select screen. So if we go to our enemy, whenever the difficulty is selected, as of right now we just adjust the attack damage and the agility of the enemy units and creature units based on the difficulty. But the system is set up so we can easily switch things around if we need to change how the difficulty scales the enemies. And the last thing I did was I added a special sound effect for when the player's units use their special attacks. We call it power up right here. We load it in on when the player's player unit's created. So inside update, whenever a attack happens, if it's a special attack, we're just gonna play the sound right here, and that will play the sound effect whenever it's a special attack. Now I will show a video of the gameplay. As you see, I'll go back. As you see, we have options at the bottom. You can click it. We can adjust difficulty, background music, and sound effects. And then just to show that it still stays, we just go to shop, we buy a few things, go back, and go back to options, and our information is still there and it's correct. So if we pull the slider all the way down, it'll actually turn the background music completely off, or sound effects completely off, and just show in level that we have it. And that is it for the video.